welcome to For Christ.
Hi everyone, this is for Christ Gospel Messages in Motion to go with the glory. So this is a kind of like self-care. So at my church, we go cathedral, we use a meet-and trip. So, but this is now kind of like through the church now. It's through a youth program. Indirectly through the church, of which I get to know about this youth program. And I'm actually right here now with STEM on a trip, and we're here at Sight and Sound. And it's a wonderful theater. It's a theater, right? Today we're watching David, Sight and Sound. It's something interesting about the story of David, and I've really learned a lot. So just sharing the moment with you for Christ Gospel Messages in motion, to God be the glory, to God be the glory, to God be the glory. So let me just take you actually. I actually learned a lot through that story, right? That yes, the battle belongs to the Lord. The battle belongs to the Lord. The power of worship. The power of worship. There are some battles you can win with swords. It's the power of worship. It's to God be the glory. So those are some points I took from that story so far. Just coming outside to share the moment with you and people's personal messages in motion. Right here at Sight and Sound. Yeah, actually for the first time. I'm here for the first time to God be the glory through DSI, the Timothy Project. It's a youth mentorship youth leadership program to God be the glory. Sharing the moment with you. Let me leave you right here while I go back inside and continue to have the fun to go. Take care. I'm for Christ Gospel Messages in motion. God, yes. If I have to add any other shots recording later on, I'm gonna add it to that. But for now, let me leave right here. Take care. Alright, so I'm back again, and so the movie is about Zoom back. So I'm right here inside the theater right now. I'm just gonna give you a quick show. So that was a Sight and Sound theaters and watching Daily today, and this is inside the theater right now. So just sharing additional moments with you. Definitely I should be giving you another video after the section with some of my friends we came today. Alright, take care right now for Pastor's messages. Hey guys, so I'm here with Emmanuel messages in motion. Like I told you, this is Sight and Sound, and we're watching David today. And here with me is Emmanuel, so I was just also I'm just showing the fun. See you next time. Take care. Thank you so much for share, like, and subscribe.